wa guthaitira maria maturigiceirie Necsa Kenya ni worotete mubango wa thirikari wa gwaka nyumba cia thogora wa thi ukiuga ati ni kugumira na njira nene maria maturigiceirie na gutiga a Kenya aingi matari na cikaro icigo-ini iria cihutitio ni tabarira ino. Akiaria na andiki a mohoro, muikariri giti wa kiungano giki Dominic wa Mubango augite indo ta mai, mbao cia gwaka na muthanga ciahota kugumirwo na mibango ta guthaitira na kuongerera ithaka bururi-ini yayaga gutuika ya tuhu.
Due to the demand for natural resources such as water, if you are building 10,000 houses, you will need a lot of water for cement and for concrete. Then you'll need sand, a lot of sand. You'll need timber and quarry stones, just to mention a few materials. And we've been championing climate change mitigation and adaptation measures, including reduction of dependence on traditional energy sources and environmental restoration through the 15 billion planning initiative. The affordable housing program, if not sustainably managed, will negate the efforts made in the achievement of the commitments on climate change.
Oho wa Mubango ni ongereire ati aikari a icigo ta Kericho ni mathamire niguo kuhe mweke waki wa nyumba ici na riu maya kuhukira urengi wa miti niguo kwionera uboco.
Well, quite recently people were threatened with eviction from Kericho, the Talai clan, who have lived in that area perhaps for 200 years. They are being told you should move out and we shall put up affordable housing here. Why are these people moving? And wherever they move to, how will they survive there? They are likely to move to the Mau forest and cause damage.
Handu-ini hake, we need to be ni oretie gukamba gukorwo na uthurimi wa maria maturigiceirie mbere ya mibango ta ino kwambiriria.
There are people living in those environments already. They are conducting their daily livelihoods. They are taking care of their families. However, we want to put up huge infrastructure in these communities. Where are we taking these activities? Where are we moving these communities to?
Mwena-ini wake, mumemba wa kiungano giki Moses Siro augite ati riendekia riri riari na ithenya na itonga nicio iragunekire makiria.
The bill does not capture or it does not expressly put environmental matters at the forefront, and we are much concerned of the impact it will have on.
Ndeto inyitetwo mbaru ni wakiri wa igoti inene Brian Odero uria utugiritie igoti ria gucokia macira riko. Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, njitagwo Derek Gathumbi.